In the heart of the Tang Dynasty, in 742 AD, a momentous invention was born that would revolutionize navigation and chart the course of human exploration. This invention was none other than the compass, a device that has been an indispensable tool for seafarers throughout history. The story of the compass begins with a humble magician named Wang Dao, who lived in the bustling port city of Xiangyang. Wang Dao was fascinated by the stars and spent countless nights gazing at the celestial sphere, seeking to unravel its secrets. One frigid winter night, as the North Star shone brightly, an idea struck Wang Dao. He realized that the magnetic needle, when suspended, would always point towards the North Star, and thus could serve as a reliable compass. With this newfound knowledge, Wang Dao set to work, crafting a magnetic needle and suspending it within a hollowed-out gourd. The device was simple yet ingenious, and it worked. The needle always pointed towards the magnetic north, regardless of the direction it was held. News of Wang Dao's invention spread like wildfire, reaching the ears of the Tang Emperor Xuanzong. Intrigued by the potential of this device, the emperor summoned Wang Dao to his court. Upon witnessing the compass's workings, the emperor was impressed. He recognized the importance of this invention for navigation, especially for the imperial fleet that was expanding China's maritime reach. He granted Wang Dao a generous reward and ordered the production of more compasses for the fleet. The compass, a humble invention born from a magician's fascination with the stars, would forever change the way people navigated the vast oceans. It would enable the Chinese to explore new lands, establish trading routes, and expand their empire. The compass, a testament to human ingenuity and curiosity, would continue to evolve over the centuries, becoming smaller, more accurate, and more sophisticated. But its roots, like the North Star, would always trace back to ancient China and the magician who first dared to dream of a tool that could guide mankind through the unknown.